Hello there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to create dynamic videos and send them through Grinfi. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm sending in my dynamic video campaign. I have already processed my videos, so the only thing that I have to do now is click on Share Campaign, and of course you'll notice that we have a lot of integrations, but today it's all about Grinfi. So we can find it, we can click here, and then you'll have this copied to clipboard. Okay, so what we're doing right now is simply grabbing a snippet code that we provide, and we only need to paste this on the body of the email here in Greenfield. Okay, so I'm sending in the automations page. I've actually created one already, but let's do it from scratch. I'll go for build manually, and then in this section, of course, take your time, build it the correct way, the way that you want it. But in send email, this is the step that I'm interested in. So in this section here, of course, let's put a subject test. Okay, so in this section here, we'll need to click on HTML. Okay, by doing that, we'll pop up this window. We need to paste that snippet code and then click on embed, and it is as simple as that. Of course, and let me show you here the way that it looks. You can see that, of course, we have a thumbnail here, and it's just like a standard thumbnail. But once we send it, it will just populate the correct video according to the lead's email. So as long as you have an email here, or you have a lead here with an email, as long as you send an email to that very same person, that person will, of course, get this right here. Okay, so which is the video that we generated for them. Okay, so click on edit if you want to, and in this very same section where it says width 100%, there are a few more, but this is the one that we care. You can just switch this to 50%, and that way we can, of course, make it smaller. So probably it'll be best for your text, but yeah, feel free to try it out, to test it out, to see how it works. And one more thing, you always need to send this to the work email. So that's essential. There are other emails that you can select from, but the work email is the one that will correctly work for this Sendspark scenario. Okay, so that's all that you need to do. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.